Is your Honda Fit constantly dropping its Apple CarPlay connection while you drive? Statistics show that 80% of intermittent connection issues are actually caused by a faulty lightning cable or debris in the port. Let's walk through the three most likely culprits for your Honda system. Start by testing a high-quality cable, cleaning your phone port with compressed air, and checking for Honda system updates. Cheap aftermarket cables often fail to maintain stable data transfer speeds required for CarPlay. Sometimes a corrupted handshake between your phone and the head unit requires a clean repairing process. Try these simple fixes at home first before paying a technician to inspect the internal USB hardware. Most users find that simply swapping the cable resolves the issue immediately. If you still face drops, a master reset of the infotainment system is your next logical step. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to troubleshoot on the go. Remember that vibrations from driving will expose any loose or worn connections. Follow these steps and get back to your music. Subscribe for more Honda maintenance tips.